My name is attorney Dan Fulkerson with Batta Fulkerson Law Group, and I just want to take a minute to talk about what really makes our firm and our law firm different than other offices and different than other personal injury offices in town. And the reason why I think it's an important distinction is because, unfortunately, there's a lot of personal injury attorneys with a very, very bad reputation, and that reputation is deserved. And the reason why is because those attorneys put money in front of the clients. When we started Batta Fulkerson, the reason why we started it was we were disturbed by the landscape of personal injury attorneys in San Diego and in California in general. And the reason why is there's so many attorneys that have been practicing for a long time, and unfortunately they've forgotten why they went into the practice in the first place. And the reason why you're supposed to practice law and the reason why you're supposed to practice personal injury law is to help people, not to make money and not to make yourself rich. And so what we saw was attorneys and law offices that would constantly put their own interests in front of their clients' interests. And at the end of the day, $5,000 or $10,000 difference in a settlement to me is not going to change my life. But for a client, that's a game changer. And so we started Batta Fulkerson for the reason of putting clients before money and putting clients before our own interests. And that's why we've grown as rapidly as we have, because we truly believe in that and we truly live our lives that way. We will never take $1 more off a case than what our client puts to their pocket after their bills are paid, tax-free for their pain and suffering. Why? Because it's the right thing to do. It's good energy. It's what people deserve. The attorney's office should never take more than the injured person. And it's really, really disgusting to me that so many attorneys will take the lion's share of a settlement and leave their client with scraps. That's the person that was injured. That's the person that has to continue to deal with their ongoing issues. The attorney can walk away from that. It's really, really disturbing to me, and so that's why we do things a lot differently. We have 6 attorneys at our office. We have a full support staff of 10 people as well, with paralegals and law clerks. Every single client has all of the attorney's cell phone numbers, because the number one complaint we hear from clients is, I couldn't talk to my attorney, or once I signed up with them, I never heard from them again. Every single client has my personal cell phone. They can text me or call me at any time. I work 7 days a week, and I know that's a little weird, but I love what I do. And so that's why we do it the way that we do. It's because we truly are passionate about what we do with our lives and the people that we get to help. The other thing that I would tell you is that we never take more cases than the amount we can handle. So many law offices in town try to take every single case that comes their way. They just try to collect every single case, and then they put it all on a shelf, and they let the smaller ones collect dust, and then the really good ones, they'll actually work. But if you're a smaller case and you're collecting dust and not getting the care that you need and not getting the service that you need, guess what? Your case is not going to work out very well. And so we have a firm belief that we're never going to take a case if we can't work it the right way. So there's a lot of cases that come into our office that we can't help and that we can't work on because, again, if we're going to take a case, we're going to make sure that we can do that case the right way so the client gets the best result possible. Now, if that's a situation and it's a case that we can't take, we'll connect you with a law office in town that can help you. But again, we're going to do that for your betterment. We're going to do that for your best interest because we want you to have the best result possible. We're not just going to sign up your case so we can make money off of it if it's not in the client's best interest. And that's why we've grown as fast as we have. It's because people know that, and they know that we're one of the only places in town that you can go where you're going to get an honest answer, an honest feedback, and people that truly do care about you that you can trust. And not in a sales way, not in a pitch way, but true, sincere trust. Because we really do put our clients first. So if you ever have any questions about a car accident or any other type of personal injury accident, you can call us anytime. We're always happy to help, and we're always here to answer questions. Hope everyone has a good day.